So मैम आप लीडिंग प्लास्टिक सर्जन है यहाँ पे त्रिवेंद्रम में. बहुत सारे क्वेश्चंस आ रहे थे कि विमेन इन सर्जरी इज इट स्टिल टेकेबल ब्रांच.
Most of the general surgery residencies of the country, women make up more than 50% of the resident workforce. It's like whether or not women can drive. There will be many opinions about it, but the underlying point is that we can.
Obvious. Ma'am, second question is कि how to choose a college for plastic surgery?
Plastic surgery has many subspecialties.
हाँ.
We have craniofacial, we have trauma, onco reconstruction, we have cosmetic. You need to think after you finish your general surgery residency whether you are going to focus on any one of these or you are going to practice general practice. I wanted to do more of micro and onco recon.
Okay.
So I went to TMH, like you said. If you want to learn all of it, then Safdarjung is a very good option. There are 6 units, one managing burns, one managing hand, one managing craniofacial and cleft. So each there are 6 units, and in 3 years you get 6 months rotation in each unit.
Achha.
If you want to do focus on a trauma practice, then you can consider going to Ganga. And there are multiple.
वगैरह के लिए?
Actually, most plastic surgery residencies today have emphasis on cosmetic. Even government hospitals have weekly cosmetic clinics. They have rotations for 1 or 2 months in big plastics cosmetic surgery centers in the country. Dr. Rajat Gupta in Delhi has a very big cosmetic surgery center, and he has residents from all over the country coming to him for 1 or 2 months.
So ये सारे factors देख सकते हैं. And ma'am, lastly, you have such a good private practice also. तो question is ma'am कि government setup versus private setup, उस पे आपका क्या opinion है कि how do you approach that?
I have a mixed practice. I visit RCC and I am a visiting plastic surgeon in multiple private centers in the city. So I have felt that government job is probably more conducive to a family life.
Okay, ma'am.
And giving more priority to family because your hours are fixed, your duties are fixed and predictable, whereas this predictability is less in private practice. But if you have a supporting family, there is no reason why you cannot have a good private practice as well. You cannot be thinking about home when you're operating outside. That is, or when you're doing your duty outside.
Yes.
At the end of the day, the aim is not to be the best female plastic surgeon. The aim is to be the best.
To be the best.
Best at what you do. If you are, the patient has no choice but to come to you.
Sure.
So that's it.